ISL वयतली आनी आज आमचे टिमीक मागता सगळे गोंयकार भाव भयणां लागीं तेन्ना एक टीम स्टार्ट जाल्ली तेन्ना तेमगेलो आमकां सपोर्ट जाय. जर तरी लोकांचो सपोर्ट ना जाल्यार प्लेयरांकूय खेळपाक तितली मजा येना. सो प्लेयरांचो आमकां लोकांचो सपोर्ट जायो आनी आमकां चड करून प्रेसा सपोर्ट जायो हें मुखार वता जाल्यार. आनी हांव सगल्यांक जे क्लबा फाटल्यान जो कोण सपोर्ट केला आनी सदां सपोर्ट आसतलो तें सगल्यांक हांव कालजांतल्यान नांव काडटा, सगल्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी हांव मागतां जेजू कडेन आनी सायबी मांय कडेन जे आमचे जे आतां चिंतना आहाय जावं म्हगे दुयेची वलांका जे प्लेयर हाडपाक वो म्हजो नातू आदित्य प्लेयर हाडपाक म्हाकार जावं कोण आहाय ते भायर मागीर प्लेयर हाडपाक आमकां देवान बरी संदी दिल्या पुरो आनी देवान चिंतल्या पुरो आमी प्लेयर हाडटाय बरें जाल्यार आनी एक ISL एक बरी गेम आमी गोंयकारांक दाखयतले म्हणून हांव सोदमतां. आनी तुमी गेलो प्रेसाय गेलो सदांच सपोर्ट आसता म्हणून हांव सोदमतां. आनीक एक पावट जेजूक आनी सायबी मांयक वलांका सायबी मांयक हांव म्हजी काळजांतल्यान आर्ग दितां आनी तेंगेलें बेसांव आमचेर पडपाक मागतां जेजू कडेन आनी सायबी मांय कडेन आनी सगळे बरे बरे प्लेयर खेळोन आज ISL एक गोंयकारांय एक टीम मुखार वचपाक आनी तुमी सगळे प्रेस सपोर्ट करतले गोंयचे लोक सपोर्ट करता म्हूण मागून हांव ही दोन म्हजी उतरां सोंपयतां. म्हाका आयज गेम आमी मुखार वता आसतना आमी सगळे 6 जाण भाव ग्रावंडाचेर आसताले आनी चड करून मोठो म्हगेलो भाव सियाब तो सारको घरांक वचोन प्लेयरां बी हाडपी. दुसरो म्हगेलो भाव रोजवेल्ट आनी आल्वेनाज ह्या आज तिगोय भावांगे मागण्यांनी तेमी कडेन मागोवन जालें आसतलें. लालूच आमगेली ते कोणी तेमी हांगा मागोवन जालें आसतलें कित्याक आमी इतले त्रास काडले हे फुटबॉलाक आनी तेंगले मागण्यांनी ही गेम आमगे मुखार पावल्या. आज म्हगे भावनाय बरें आज ते आहलो जाल्यार आज सारके इतले हें आसताले सारके इतले मुड्डे आसताले आनी सियाब म्हणटा आमगेलो तो नॉक आसतलो कितें करपाचें आनी करून ते म्हाजे रिस्पेक्ट आनी ते म्हळ्यार आज हांव देवा मागता आमी संवसारान म्हणटा एक थोडो तेंप आज येयले हाल गेले पूण जें आमी चर्चिल ब्रदर्स जें नांव घालप्याकूय हांव सदां बरें मागता पिटराक कित्याक आमी चर्चिल ब्रदर्स नांव दिवपी म्हणटा पिटर कित्याक पेरंट्स आमी ताचो आनी आज हें इतलें वयर ऑर्गनायजेशन जाता म्हाका खबर ना पूण लोकां मागण्यांनी देवागे देण्यान म्हणटा भाशेन आमी इतल्या मुखार वयलां आनी हांव मागतां म्हगे सगळे सोंपलेले भावां कडेन तेमी देवा बगले मागून आनी लोकांगे मागण्यांनी आमगेली ISL गेम चल्ल्या पुरमून आनी आमी जिखल्या पुरमून हें मुगे मागणें.
आनी दुसरें म्हळ्यार न्हू आमी केन्ना सपनां देखून चिंतूं ना कोणेंय चिंतूं ना जाय that a company like Tata would see this potential in Churchill Brothers. I mean, you know, I must really say that some stories are scripted above and they know the best, and Tata has definitely seen the potential in Churchill Brothers, and it's teamwork, it's hard work, it's undying spirit, it's unwavering passion, and you know that there are so many things to add to it. And I think from now a new journey begins, but this journey is not complete without the supporters of Churchill Brothers, every Goan and all the fans all over. And Aditya, please say something. Deepwas, and thank you Deva and Saibin Mike आज और 20 पावजाल तो thanking Almighty God and Mother Velankini. Special thanks to all the fans, supporters of Churchill Brothers. This is a dream come true for all the people of Goa, and my gratitude to Tata, Jamshedpur FC and AIFF for giving us this license, the sporting license to participate in the Indian Super League. I think that Rome was not built in a day, and legacy takes a lot of hard work, dedication, commitment, and support. And this is something Tata Steel and Jamshedpur FC has seen in a club founded by this man, Churchill Brothers, and his brothers and the entire family. I just want to say that this entire partnership is built on trust, it's built on good faith, and at the same time, we have taken over the responsibility to play the players who are contracted with Jamshedpur FC and the coaches as well. And obviously, there are a lot of players which Churchill Brothers has. The goal of Churchill Brothers has always been to give a platform to Goans, and that is where we belong. आणि एक स्वतः आसलोलें की एक मीज गोंयकारांगे क्लब ISL जाय म्हूण. So I think with great humility and gratitude, I thank everyone, and to the media who's always asking by केनो जाता Churchill Brothers जाय केनो जाता. So finally the days come with everybody's blessings, and there is an agreement which is made between Jamshedpur FC, Tata and Churchill Brothers. As you all know, Tata Steel is a listed company, and there were many things they had to do before this. But I am really thankful, and I would want to read the statement which Mr. D.B. Sundararaman, Vice President Corporate Services, Tata Steel, has said. He said Churchill Brothers FC is a club with real history in Indian football, and we are glad this agreement gives our players and coaches the opportunity to continue playing club football. We are thankful to AIFF and Churchill Brothers for their partnership in making this transition a smooth one. And this is really what it is. From here, the new journey begins, and we cannot do this without everybody's support and blessings. Thank you.
I've been here for only 7 years. So, from 1988, for him to run, I got a cool, sorry. For him to run with such expectations is like, it's very difficult for me also to come in, and how do I say it? Every year, the reason why Goans especially wanted Churchill Brothers, why not like ask for another club, right? Why just Churchill?
Foreigners in the country, from Philip Mensah.
The whole Goa know, whole India know. The Churchill Brothers bought so players, Chubuchur and all. But like a Odava Okeli, player is never going to come in India. Your press people only kept him in the goal machine. He played with me 5 years. He kept my club big this up, and given lots of things for us.
And the beauty of Churchill Brothers is, he's the first generation, I'm the second generation, Aditya and all these people are the third generation. So the sport is for generations, be it Angel, Islinda, Emmanuel, Antonio. So sport is something we give back to the community and not something we take back. So Aditya, you have to say something.
No, she wants to say something, Angel. Angel, she is my very young. Say, what do you want? Say.
All the best Churchill Brothers, and I'm very happy today because thanks to my godmother, godfather, Nana, Papa, and Adi's hard work, our team is in ISL.
Thank you.
This is a message I have to all the Goans. Like Malanka said, we're not just going to sign Goans because they're Goans. With him at least, and the standard that is in India from 2012, it's 2026 now, so 14 years. In 14 years, there has been only one Goan player who's nominated as the best player in India, and that's been Lenny Rodriguez, and he recruited Lenny. So it's like saying for 14 years, you can't say there's just one Goan player, right? But that is the standard. So when the people come to the stands this year, you can be rest assured it will be the best of Goans playing for this club. And with foreigners, so you don't have to, I don't even have to say much because the history speaks for it that there are 2 stars on the jersey. Churchill Brothers will be a team and will always, it has been a team since 1989 and always be a team. We are not here to participate. If we play a league, it is to win. He knows no other method but to win. And that's why all the Goans, they're saying why do they want Churchill, and I'm not, no disrespect to the other top 4 Goan clubs that do exist and are still playing, but most of the Goans right now, and many Indians are saying, oh, there's no future for Indian football and this and that. And I read a statement the other day. Somebody said that even if I get a spot free, I will not take it. But with him, you just think about it, right? One man is saying that I will die and for whatever I have and what I don't have also for the sport. And on the other hand, there are people saying that there's no future. So that's why I feel there's this connection between Goans and us, and I'm 100% sure the stadium will be full. Everybody's saying the attendance has been poor, this, that. FC Goa also, in fact, even they helped. I really want to thank Ravi Pushkar. I'll say this to Ravi. Because even he, after a certain point, must have realized that you can't have monopoly in football. That, the competition needs to, you need competition to survive. And I'm sure he's also happy because now there's going to be a derby in Goa.
He is. And we are looking for a rivalry of Churchill Brothers versus FC Goa, like he said.
And we are the only team also that is from the south that exists right now.
We are trying to name it like a Churchill Brothers South Goa FC or South Goa. We are asking also, it's an open thing for all our fans to give a name which they want to rebrand, connected with the South.
That's a lot we have to say.
Thank you. Sure.
What is your coach's plan for the team now? Coach, how are you all placed with him and his
So right now we have, some coach in mind who was like our ex-coach also. We have this coaches also since he has to, respect and commit to the contract. And we'll see how it goes.
This is the last thing I'm just telling to you. The FC Goa team is there. And lots of Goan was going on. And Goan player also playing. But the team run by the outsider. But he given good team for the football. When he was outside also, he given good team to football. And today we are the Goans. We are going to give more than that. And let the people enjoy coming to the football. And I am pleasing the people, come, everybody, like I give to boost the player. Because if the people come, then player playing good. And I support the people. I want to support.
Thank you so much.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.